How to check old messages on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on message at the top right corner. Now open up your chat. Now to find old messages, tap on the profile. Now tap on source icon. Now from the search bar, you can search for old messages. Now if you want to access all the old messages, simply go back. Now tap on profile. Now tap on three lines, then go to account center. Now tap on your information and permissions. Now click on download, then tap on download or transfer information. Now select some of your information. Now scroll down. Now select messages and tap on next. Now select download to device. Now select the date range. Now tap on save and tap on create files. Now wait for some time, then you will get an email regarding the download information. Now simply download the file. Then you will be able to access all the old messages. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.